He rode out much of the war in North Africa. He wrote stories and reports while in North Africa, and also took a great many really interesting photographs. And a certain amount of his fiction is also based in the Sephardic Jewish communities in Morocco. He was able to get into the States on a journalist's visa towards the latter part of the war. And he moved to New York and reconnected with a great many writer and artist friends from Paris, and supported himself at first as a diamond cutter in the diamond district. He met my mother, Bertha Klebenow, who was working as a secretary at Der Zukunft, which is a Yiddish language publication, and apparently proposed to her on their first date together. And they were married, and before they lived on the Upper West Side in a small apartment on West 71st Street, and at some point after that, my sister and then I came along, and we began our life as a family.